Walang iwanan na kahit saan ka pa mapadpad. Walang iwanan na kahit kailan may di mag-iisa. May problema ba, kaibigan? Huwag mo na sanang isipin na ika'y nag-iisa. Kahit nagagalit na ang lahat sa iyo, kahit nagdududa na ang nasa paligid mo, walang iwanan na kahit saan ka pa mapadpad. Walang iwanan na kahit kailan may di mag-iisa. Dahil ika'y kasama. May problema ba, kaibigan? Huwag kang mag-atubili na ako'y lapitan. Di mo naman kailangang mag-alangan. Andito lang ako para umalalay. Walang iwanan na kahit saan ka pa mapadpad. Walang iwanan na kahit kailan ba'y di mag-iisa. Dahil ika'y kasama.
Warmest congratulations to all of you on your graduation day. Remember, with God behind you,
So glad
you can
that
face
I have
whatever is
you.
ahead of you. Mahal
You love
ko
me
kayong
so.
lahat. Mrs.
Now all is bright. I'll always thank you for the glow and thank you.
Result
for
2,
the joy.
Batch 2009-2010. Congratulations to all of us. It has been 4 years in high school. Now, it's time to graduate. We have struggled during high school life. Now, it's time to receive our diplomas. Our graduation day is at the end of our journey. More challenging one. Thank you for happy and bad memories. We enjoy our high school life, especially in this 4th year. But there are some of our classmates that will hate their attitude, and some of our classmates that will love them. They said high school life is the happiest part of being a teenager. Then I agree. The chapter of our life, we feel different things, we face different challenges, and we fall in love. We hope we never forget each other, especially our section. Result 2. We are very thankful to our teachers and advisors who guiding us for 10 months. Thank you so much for being kind to our section. Thanks for the love that you gave to us, especially to the patience, because we all know that Result 2 is so very talkative and full of alcohol. But you gave your full patience to us. Sorry for the bad times that Result 2 did to all of our teachers. thank you so much for being part of our high school life, especially this part year. We miss the time of being pressured, especially in P6. We miss the time when we feel nervous in class or we fail. We miss the time when we are cheated and making lickings to pass our exam. We miss the time when we fool some of our teachers and some of our classmates. We miss the time when we do some crazy things. Most of all, we miss our crushes, our loved ones, our enemy, our friends, our classmates, our schoolmates, our teachers, our advisors, our principal, especially our school, Pampanga High School, our second home, where we grow our knowledge. Congratulations and happy graduation day!